In today's video, I am going to teach you how to find the top products to sell on Shopify. To get started, you first need to open the Shopify Apps area in your store admin. On your screen, look for the section that says Apps. Click Apps so you can browse and install the tools that will help you discover products and opportunities. Once you are inside the Apps page, the next step is to search for a specific app that is designed for brand collaborations. In the search bar, type Shopify Collabs. This is the name of the app you want, and searching for it quickly is the best way to avoid getting lost in other tools. After you type the name, you will see the app appear in the results. Click Install. This step tells Shopify that you want to add the app to your store, so you can use its features for product discovery and partnership insights. When you click Install the first time, Shopify may show a confirmation prompt. Click Install again to finish the authorization process. This second click is important because it confirms the action and ensures the installation completes correctly. Next, you will need to finish setup. Depending on your Shopify screen, this may include a brief setup flow that connects the app to your store and prepares it for use. Follow along with what appears on screen until the setup is complete. If the interface shows progress or a confirmation message, make sure you see that the setup has finished successfully before moving on. Now that the app is installed and set up, you are ready to shift your focus to finding products that you can sell. This next part is about making smart choices, not just picking what looks interesting. You will want to find products with high demand, because high demand usually means customers are already searching for these items and buying them. Start looking at the product options available through the app. Pay attention to signals that suggest people want the product. The goal here is to identify products that show consistent interest, rather than something that is only trending for a very short time. When you review product listings, focus on what indicates strong customer activity and ongoing popularity. After you find products with high demand, the next step is to choose products with good profit margins. Profit margin is what is left after you account for your costs, such as the product price and any fees tied to selling. A product can be popular, but if the margin is too low, you may struggle to make the effort worthwhile. Take a moment to compare the potential profit margins across the options you are considering. Look at pricing information and any cost details that the app provides, so you understand what you would realistically earn per sale. If two products have similar demand, the one with the better margin is often the better pick, because it gives you more room to market, handle unexpected costs, and still make a meaningful profit. As you make your final choices, remember that the best products usually meet both criteria at the same time. You want demand that is strong enough to generate sales, and margins that are high enough to sustain your business. If you only focus on one side, you may end up with products that either do not sell well or do not leave enough profit to grow. Once you have selected the products that match both high demand and good profit margins, you are ready for the next phase of your Shopify selling journey, such as adding products to your store and setting up your listings. But for the purposes of this process, you have completed the key selection steps, and that covers everything you need to know. And that is all there is to it.